Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Crypto Helper Official. In this video I'm going to share you another new great DeFi project named Dogcoin. The website link is dogcoinfinance.com. As you know guys, there are many scam projects that come into the market and they scam very fast without paying an investment back. But the Dogcoin is a very great trusted platform from a trusted admin. You can do buy this token here and it will be in future it will be very more much of your investment. So you can check the fair launch here. If you click the fair launch here, you can check the BSC scan transaction hash here, you can check the transaction hash here, and you can check all this of the fair launch. And when you go to the here you can check the token bund of this site. If you click the token bund, you can check the full token bund of this site. And when you click the re-announce ownership, you can check the re-announce ownership of the site, transaction hash, and you can check all this information here. And when you click liquidity logged, you can check the liquidity logged of the site. Here you can check the transaction hash and all this from token transfer from this much of this much, and you can check all. If you go to here, you can check the chart of the site, Google chart, it will be showing. And when it will be taken you to PooCoin app, the tokens, and you can check the PooCoin chart will be here. You can check this PooCoin chart. It's a very great site. I already told you this admin is a great. Here when you come to the PooCoin chart, you can check total supply is 1000 quadrennial and market capital is 1,10,298 dollar, and Dogecoin BNB LP holdings you can check 18.30 BNB, which is $10,000. And when you go down, you can check how much it's growing. That it's growing very great. So if you want to invest, you can invest here. You can simply click and buy it on PancakeSwap. If you go to PancakeSwap, just you have to simply connect your wallet here and simply click I understand first, then click continue, and you have to connect your wallet, then simply click VNB. Like if you want to swap from one VNB, you will get this much of Dogcoin. You can invest here and you will get swap button, you can swap it. And when you go down, you can check the Telegram and Twitter account of that site. You can join this, and you can check the about Dogcoin or full info you will get here. 5% free from each transaction and 5% from each transaction distributed to holder and added to liquidity pool. You can check the contract on BSC scan also. Dogecoin Finance, Dogecoin to the moon, and you can check the total supply here and holders. You can check here, transfers you can check here, and you can check the contract address here. And when you go down here, you can simply check the Dogecoin big events extra burned total 4.2% supply, and you can check the member holder and member target. You will check here how much they will burn, and this all. You can check the features of the site, community driven token, automatic LP, and automatic rewards is there. 5% transaction I already told you. Here you can check the fair launch, here total supply you can check, here total burn you can check, liquidity logged you can check here 41.8%, team this much 3%, event this much and 4.2%, airdrop is this much Dogecoin and 1%. And here you can check the roadmap of this site. You can easily check the roadmap of this site fully here. Here Dogecoin 2021 already is out. So the site is very great. If you want to invest here, you can invest here. Thank you for watching the video. Hope you liked it. If you liked it, subscribe my channel and like this video. Thank you for watching.